Once again, you'll be reading a passage and you identify the hidden keyword or the exact keyword so that you could reveal what is the topic all about. Gets nyo na? Yes? Hello?
Yes po. Yes po,
Oo,
sir.
mabilis lang to, no? Pabilisan lang ng
Yes
pagsagot
po.
kung ano ang sinasabi niya sa story or sa passage. We'll start with the first one. You can now shout your answer if you're ready. Look for the keywords and guess the answer. You can start. 30
Facebook, sir.
Ah,
Facebook.
Trying.
Facebook.
Facebook.
Yes po.
Other guess? Other guess aside from Facebook. Do we have other answers? Camera. Sister Dandy, camera. What
Book.
else? Book. Book, camera, Facebook. Cell phone, says Ma'am Edna. Ma'am Joanna, computer. Sir Lodi, gallery. Sir James, computer. Roslyn, clock. Is it a clock? Other guess? Pen?
Sir,
Chat
sir,
box?
computer.
Hala kayo, sige, iba-iba ng utak nyo. Hindi gaya nung kagabi na aswan ang sagot. Pass na
Computer.
po.
Camera.
Pass na daw. Okay. Is it a computer? It's a laptop. Yes, you are correct. Computer or a laptop. What's the clue word? Sinong nakakuha ng computer? Sino po?
James Dominic.
Sir Dominic. Bakit po computer or laptop ang sagot? Ano po ang inyo pong nakuhang clue?
With every click, invisible
Every
highway.
click. Ayan. Every click,
Waiting for
invisible
commands
highways
also.
messages fired and the eye can see. Okay. Well done. Sana may pag-Gcash si Sir Kwan. Doc Kenneth sa atin. Question 2. Go. Do you have answers? Spoon. Spoon, plate. Roslyn, Leody, plate. Nelita, spoon. Mamrona, spoon. Is it a spoon or a plate? Fork?
Ladle.
Spoon.
Ladle,
Sponsor.
knife,
Spoon.
ball pen,
Sometimes
Plate.
mountains of sugar or butter.
ball pen, plate, knife, pot, spoon. Okay, let's find out what's really the thing is.
Spoon.
It's a spoon. Who got the correct answer? It's a spoon.
Liarni, sir.
Mamla, Lani,
Liarni.
Liarni. Okay. It gathers grain, di ba? That's the clue
Yes
word
po.
there. Have you seen
Po.
that? It gathers grain.
Mountains
Okay.
of sugar or rice.
Or it could be gathering the sea of broth. Next, question 3. Go. What is the hidden thing? From Lodi. Mirror, mirror. Okay, we have other answers aside from mirror. Eyeglass, Sir Alejandro says
Answer.
eyeglass. You can have 2 guess. Photocopier. Wow. Eyeglass, shadow. Okay, saan nagmumula yung mga utak nyo? Gaganda, mirror, mirror, mirror. Okay. You can catch up the answers on the chat box. Thank you so much for utilizing the chat box. And that is appreciated. The answer is mirror. Okay, a round of applause to those who answered mirror. You are correct. What's the clue word or the keywords there?
Stairs.
Copying every blink, di ba? And it's a flat stranger. Flat stranger meaning your own shadow or your own figure. Okay, we go to the next. Ready? Are you ready? May I invite everyone to please join and share. Hindi lamang po yung mga pabalik-balik ang sumasagot. Inviting you all to please participate. This is enjoying. This will help your eyes also to master the clue words. The next question, go. What is the hidden thing? Okay, stairs back pala ang clue word nyo kanina. Thank you to those who were able to use the correct word.
That's a
Fan.
fan.
Electric fan. Fan. Is that correct? Electric fan or fan? Let's review the answer.
Cool, very steam.
Yes, it's an electric fan or a fan. It's like a drone, di ba? Another, it slices the air. A blade that spin. Parang umiisi ang ating tanong, no? Kanina ay medyo hindi pa tayo aware. Pero this time, no, parang bumibilis. Go! Mabilisan na to, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, meron lang sagot.
Bit much.
Who is the first? Sir Dante says,
Flash.
Com,
Flash.
Ma'am Gina, Ma'am Edna, Com, Rona,
Flash.
Maricel, Maria Gina, Jenny. Thank you very much. Let's find out if that's really a com. And we are
Flash.
still accepting for those who are answering. Yan, ang bilis ng mga kamay. Sa pagta-type, the correct answer is com. What's the clue? Or what's the keyword?
Scalp.
Untangle, no? A teeth
Kill
that
across the
marks in a
scalp.
row. So para siyang, ano tawag dito?
Teeth march.
Ah, ano tawag diyan sa paghuhula? Riddle, no? It's a riddle in its term. Okay, next. Very good. How about this? Go. "46 people, please. Bag. Is it bag?" Says Sir
Bag.
Dominic Bag, Antoinette, Jane, Pars.
Bag.
Okay, may tibak. Tibak ba yun o tibag? Ayan, let's find out if that's a bag actually. Yes, it's a bag. What's the clue? Everything that you put it, no books, keys, coins, letters, it hangs on your shoulders. Those are exactly the term for a bag. Next, how about these?
SD card mode. Bluetooth mode.
May magpapatugtog. Container with secrets. Okay. Cologne. Is that a
Shampoo.
cologne?
Shampoo, sir.
Shampoo. Ma'am Elarni, shout out or shouted out shampoo, perfume, lotion. What about other answers? Perfume, shampoo. Okay. We have two similar answers. That's perfume or a shampoo. And the answer key says it's a shampoo. Why it's a shampoo? It forms into clouds into your head. Okay. Thank you very much. How about these? Let's reveal the answer.
Remote control.
Remote control?
Remote control.
Is it a camera, a remote, Ma'am Maricel, Ma'am
No,
Elarni?
more than a finger.
Okay. Cell phone?
Remote control.
Okay, we have different answers here. The answer is a remote control. What's the keyword?
Small device in a palm. Once pressed, change pictures and bouillon.
Wow, okay. Thank you very much.
One
That's a very good eye. Okay, like an eagle or an owl. Okay, next. What is that actually?
iron. Kasi
Iron?
Iron.
flat. Flat. Pwede
Load
Is it
iron. Steam iron.
flat iron? Iron?
Steam iron. Steam.
Ang bilis ng mga mata, no? So the answer is a flat iron. You are correct. The clue word, pressing,
A hot steamy cold that wrinkles,
and
flat, smooth fabric.
and
Rolled fabric.
glide, a strike of order, carving neatness into the fabric. Next, what about this one? What is the revealing word? Or the words to
soap.
soft?
Soap,
Is it a
sir.
soft?
Kasi bubbles. Bubbles.
Soap. Sabon.
Sabon.
Bar soap. Sabon. Soap.
It's a
Oh.
soft. Okay, thank you very much. Ang galing na natin, no? So, sana ganito lagi ang ating format and style kapag mag-exam na po tayo. Okay, you can now access our PDF copy that I mentioned.